Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a common tech problem that many of us have faced at some point. So imagine you've been struggling to erase a PNY 128GB microSD card using disk utility on your Monterey OS, but for some reason, it's just not cooperating. This card became unreadable after you tried extending the hard drive space on your Android 13 tablet. Even after attempting to reformat with Windows 10 and Android 13, they just don't seem to recognize the drive. Frustrating, right? Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. As luck would have it, our savior comes in the form of an old Amazon Fire 7 tablet, specifically the 7th generation running on Android 9 Pie. That's right, with this trusty device in hand, you'll be able to breathe new life into that stubborn microSD card. Simply pop it in, follow a few simple steps, and voila! You'll have your card reformatted and ready for action. In summary, dealing with finicky tech gadgets and storage devices can be a real headache. But fear not, with the right tools and a bit of trial and error, you can overcome any obstacle that comes your way. So next time you find yourself in a tech bind, remember to keep calm and troubleshoot like a pro. Thanks for tuning in today, and as always, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below with your favorite tech mishap story. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.